Amidst all the chaos of investing early on and making sure not to miss the opportunities and buying at the dip, a lot of investors have started to keep a constant eye on the market and the kind of technology or adaptations the various companies have been making. Many companies are judged through the kind of technology being developed by them, while a lot of them are simply based on the price movements noticed on the charts. The chances of having heard of all of these stocks before this video are high. What you might not have heard of is why they are in trend at this point in time, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Welcome back to another video on this channel that will help you make the investment that will take you and your financial portfolio places you've always wanted to be. We'll discuss 7 stocks that have high chances of making you a significant profit this year. That being said, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay updated. And also let us know in the comment section about your favorite among the 7 that we list in this video. Turn on the post notifications to stay updated at all times and make full use of this channel. Before we get started, allow us to mention that we're not financial advisors and nothing in this video is financial advice. We are market observers and tend to stay and keep everyone around us updated about the latest events occurring in the market. That being said, let's get started with the video that we have for you today. This video will be beneficial for you as we'll be dealing with all of the key numbers and indicators that normally help a company flourish and grow in value. Without any further ado, allow us to take you to the first of 7 of the best stocks to buy in 2022. The first one we have for you is Nextera Energy with the symbol NI. This is a company that might not be known to you but has great potential based on the recent revenues that it's been making. It's an American energy company that's headquartered in Florida. It is also the largest electric utility holding company in the world. Now that you know what they do, let us get into a bit of the numbers. As of the 4th of January 2022, the prices of NI revolve around $91.66. The prices seem to be hovering around the same range for a while now. The current market cap of this stock is also at a pretty good price range, at $170 billion, which is yet another good indication for the American energy company. The PE ratio is also at a very high range, which means that it is undoubtedly overvalued at this point when compared to their earnings. Their earnings per share is at 61 cents, while on the other hand, the volume is around 7,110,194, with over a 14% profit margin and low return equity of 3.8%. This company focuses on providing clean energy for North America. They work on developing technologies for wind and solar powered systems that make sure their power is pure. The next one we have for you today is one you certainly may have heard of or expected to be present in this list. With the symbol KO, CocaCola is another company that has been performing really well in the recent past. As you may be aware, Coca-Cola is an American soft beverage producer and a multinational corporation known throughout the globe for the drinks it manufactures. Heading to the charts, the current price of Coca-Cola share is around $59.3 and has been performing well in recent times. The prices have been continuously rising and have seen a few dips here and there as time passed. Last year, they started the year at around $55, which then dropped to the lower values to the high 40s from where it has been a run to the present values that we have. The market cap of this company is $256 billion with a PE ratio of 29.2. The earnings per share for Coca-Cola is around $2, which is another good indication for this company. With a profit margin of $23, this company seems to provide much better margins to all investors. These values do play an essential role in the decision that investors take to invest, and hence it becomes essential for us to make sure we include all these values for you to decide on your next move. Today, the next company on our list is Berkshire Hathaway with the symbol BRKB. A lot of you may have heard about this company through Warren Buffett. This holding company owns a lot of companies completely and is also one of the greatest ones in the market. The present price of this holding company is at around the $300 mark. The present market cap is over $673 billion with a PE ratio of 0.01. The earnings per share are at 56.269 and all of these figures are as of the 4th of January 2022. The price chart also suggests a very steady growth, which is a very good indication. There were no huge spikes that could call for instability and the price actions have been fairly moderate throughout the past year. The prices have been on a continuous rise over the past year, and we think this will continue throughout 2022, making it a very good investment for you to make. The fourth one today is Extra Space Storage with the stock symbol EXR. This is a real estate investment trust, often abbreviated as a REIT. However, this company primarily invests in self-storage units. As a matter of fact, they also claim to be the largest one in the entire United States. The present price as of the 4th of January 2022 is over $219 and seems to be rising steadily in prices. This company seems to be one of the best in the industry and has been around for a long time. The present market cap here is around $29 billion and the PE ratio is 4,072. The earnings per share for EXR is 5.3, which is a good amount as well. The growth for them has been very stable and consistent, which makes it a very good investment. It'll be a safer investment to make it, as it may not really be affected by a turbulent spike in the prices. This stock is definitely the one you should keep an eye out for. The fifth one for today is the Intuitive Surgical with the stock symbol ISRG. The objective that they have is to design robotic technologies that will assist in surgeries and clinical operations. This helps in making sure that the number of procedures is reduced and the ones that are being conducted are safer than how they have been. It is known for its Da Vinci surgical system. The present price of this company is around the $360 mark and has been performing really well. It has also been one of the most reliable companies based on the charts, as they've been very stable over the past year. The present market cap is around $128 billion with a PE and EPS value of 77.62 and 4.64 respectively. The technology being used by them makes it a very good investment. The second to the last stock today is Zillow with the stock symbol ZG. The present price of this company is around $61 with a market cap of $16.4 billion. This is an online real estate marketplace that allows the sellers to list their properties for sale or also for rent. The EPS ratio for this company is -0.90 as of January 4th, 2022. However, it has been performing well in the past year. Like others, this company also has a stable increase in prices. The last one for today is Vagabond S&P 500 Index Fund ETF with the stock symbol VOO. This is an exchange-traded fund that invests in the stocks found in the S&P 500. In other words, it represents the 500 largest companies in the US. The present price is $439 and the market cap and PE are $753 billion and 9.174 respectively. This is also a good investment and a must look out for stock that'll help you make your portfolio better. We hope that you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content. We'll meet you again on this channel soon.